Exactly a year ago, the Government of India had passed 3 farm laws. They lost a key alliance partner in the process, the Shiromani Akali Dal, and also these laws united several farm unions across the country. It's been a year of multiple protests, some even turning bloody. But even after a year of these protests, negotiation, mostly failed negotiation, the situation remains the same. The government will not roll back. The farmers won't settle for anything less. Politically, however, the farmers today have more support. But how long will it last? How exactly did this 1-year anniversary of the farm laws roll out on the ground? Take a look.
Farmers' frustration over the government's stand on farm bills breaking through. Bringing the national capital region to a standstill for several hours. The Bharat Bandh across states, Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, UP, Bihar, Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Called by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of over 40 farm unions, the Bandh was held from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m., restricting movement on national highways and railway lines. In the morning, the Delhi-Meerut Expressway was blocked near the Ghazipur protest site, inconveniencing commuters.
परेशानी तो हो ही रही है। ये बेकार की चीजें हैं, इसमें कोई फायदा नहीं है। गवर्नमेंट जो कर रही है वो ढंग का कर रही है। किसान अपना पॉलिटिक्स फायदा निकालने के लिए सब कर रहे हैं।
आपको कितना समय हो गया जी यहाँ अभी खड़े हुए?
सर हो गया होगा 10-15 मिनट।
अगर किसी को दुखी करके हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो अच्छा नहीं है। पिछले 6 महीने से हम पहले ही दुखी हैं।
आम आदमी अगर रोज नौकरी नहीं करेगा तो खाएगा क्या? रोज करके खाना उसने दो।
This is the gentleman who just told us that his relative was unwell and suffered.
Those with emergencies were allowed to pass, like this man whose father suffered a cardiac arrest, had to be rushed to hospital. But farmers are adamant they will not give up.
इस बंद ने तो मुंह बंद कर दिया है लोगों का, जो कह रहे थे कि सिर्फ उत्तर भारत का मामला है. Indeed, it's a problem, and I want to apologize. I want to apologize to anyone who suffered because of our band, but to a government which is not listening to the farmers after 10 months. You have to resort to something extraordinary.
Despite declaring that they'll protest in poll-bound states, farmers insist their protest is not political. We are protesting the government's actions, says farm leader Tikai. He also dismissed the UP government's increasing sugarcane prices as too little, too late.
हम तो केस निपटा कर जाएंगे, बिल्कुल फाइनल करके जाएंगे. इसका सरकार का पर्चा पाड़ कर जाएंगे, बिना पर्चा पाड़ू कर जाने के नियम. घोषणा पत्र में 375 उन्होंने लिखा और दिया 5 साल बाद में 350. तो जो डिफरेंस है इसको कौन देगा?
The BJP though insists that the farmers' plan to protest in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Uttarakhand ahead of the polls is political.
देखो भैया, असल में कुछ राजनीतिक दल किसानों के ट्रैक्टर पर बैठकर अपनी ऊसर जमीन की जुताई में लगे हुए हैं. इसे कहते हैं कि किसानों के कंधे पे बंदूक और क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी का संदूक.
In Bengaluru, protesters found a unique way to make their point. In Tamil Nadu, there was no bandh as the ruling DMK backs the farmers' demands, but left parties blocked roads across the state in solidarity.
Protesters led by the left parties are blocking the Anna Saleh, an arterial road in Chennai, and police are detailing them. In fact, recently the Tamil Nadu Assembly had passed a resolution demanding repeal of these farm laws, saying that these are anti-farmers and these laws push farmers backwards economically by several decades.
The protest seems set to continue, especially with elections ahead in many states. Tomorrow, farmers have called a panchayat in Chhattisgarh. Bureau Report, NDTV.